what is the importance of role models and mentors in our life. Especially these role models and mentors are very very important for the students in the students life, in their career development, in their progress, in their learning journey. Definitely some kind of role models and mentors are very very important. So why these role models or mentors are important? The reason is, if we have some kind of role model, that means we always decide our role models to be in our category. For example, if you want to become a cricketer, we'll make one person who is a legend in the cricket field, we'll keep him as our role model. Or for example, if you want to become top entrepreneur, then we'll take another kind of role model. That means role models for individuals will change depending on their interest, depending on their passion, and what is their vision in their life. So based on that, these role models and mentors will change. But definitely having the role models, the importance is, when we start our own development, when we are starting our own career, we take our role models and we select some kind of mentors and we follow them. So whatever works they have done, what are the struggles they have done in their life, how they have overcome those struggles, what are their failures, how they have overcome those kind of failures, and what is their success mantra, and how they have reached at higher heights. All these things we just observe them and will follow them, and we also get the success in our life very easily. If you follow the some kind of path which he already taken by someone else, then it becomes very easy for us to become successful in our field also. If you want to become a cricketer, if you follow some legend, and exactly whatever he did in his life, based on that we think ourselves and we implement in the same manner, definitely it will work out. It is same for the mentors also. If we have some kind of mentor, for example, we want to acquire some kind of advanced skills, we want to start our own company. If we have some mentor who have already done that particular journey long ago, then if we follow them, if we listen to them, if whatever they are saying, what is the strategy they have implemented, what are the struggles they have done, exactly we follow them, then definitely it becomes very easy for us. That means we need not require to reinvent the wheel. We just to follow, we'll have innovations. We just follow them and we become successful. But why most of the students will not have role models, and why most of the students will not have some kind of mentors in this in their life? That's what I'm going to discuss in this video. I'm Ayup Sharma. I'm student transformation mentor. So before I start the video, please like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss a few very important reasons why we should have role models and mentors. Number one, inspiration and motivation. When we have some mentor in our life, we just following them, that means we will be inspire ourselves, we'll get motivation. Sometimes in our life what happens, we'll have some kind of hurdles, we'll undergo swamp mode. That means we'll degrade ourselves. Even though we are progressing, some times will come where things will not work out according to us, they will become against us. In that case, definitely we need someone to motivate us. So if we have mentor in our life, definitely we'll get self motivation. We just look at them, we'll watch their videos, we will follow their steps strategies, and we'll get more and more confidence. That means more and more inspiration. With that, we'll go forward and we'll become successful in whatever we want to do in our life. What is number two? It's a experience, it's a role of experience. That means if we have role models and mentors, they have more experience than us, because they are already become successful in our field. If you want to become you know uh, top entrepreneur, someone already there who's become already successful entrepreneur. We want to go in sports, so many are there who already become successful in the sports. We want to learn some advanced technical skills, so many are there who already know the technical skills and how to learn them, where to learn, how do you implement. If you want to go for research and development, so many are there, they have done so many research and they have done innovations, inventions they have done. So if we follow them, definitely their experience will help us. so that we also don't make same kind of mistake that they have done, and we'll invent more and more, so it becomes very easy for us to become successful in our field. What is number 3? It is called networking and connections, which means that if you have mentors and role models, definitely we'll follow them, and sometimes we will meet them, and we may have some kind of conversations along with them. So with that, what happens, everybody who are following them and will get to know each other. That means our network is improved. That means we'll get more and more contacts. We will interact with so many persons. Because of these kind of mentorship programs, we'll have more connections, we'll contact more and more people, so that their experience also help us. So that means what they are thinking about their life, and what are the skills they already have, and how they are implementing, how they are becoming successful, and how they are getting the results that they are thinking. All these things will come to know because we all will be on the same platform. That is the reason why we should have mentors in our life. What is number 4? It is accountability and guidance from the mentors and role models. So, what mentors will do? Definitely, they will share some kind of knowledge related to accountability. If we don't have accountability, what happens? We may not go forward, because whatever we are doing all the time, we may not be correct. Sometimes we go wrong, sometimes we may be correct. But who is going to judge us? Who is going to tell us which is wrong and which is right? Whether we are thinking in the right direction or in the wrong direction, whether we get the correct results in future or not, we may not know all the time. For example, someone is making some kind of movie, and the director may or may not know whether the movie becomes a big hit or not. By the time it comes at the end, so everyone will get disappointment that because they have done some kind of mistakes. Now if we have the accountability, someone is telling us that you are doing correct, you are doing wrong. If we are accountable to someone, then definitely we'll follow the right steps and we'll reach the right destination. Okay, that means our hurdles will be removed in our journey, and also we'll get the guidance from the mentors. They will guide us in a right direction. This is the importance of mentors. What is number 5? Having the self confidence. Sometimes we think that we are not capable of doing something, and we will underestimate ourselves. We don't believe ourselves. In that case, definitely we need self confidence. So, when do we get self confidence? If someone is there, for example, even though you did not perform well, if someone is there to encourage why you have not done in a proper way and what else you can do in future, that will give us more and more confidence. Because not that always will become a perfect, will not execute all the time in a perfect manner. Sometimes we may go wrong. So with that wrong results, and we are getting failures, we'll get demotivation, and we'll not have confidence on ourselves. So because of this lack of confidence, we cannot grow in our life. So we should have self confidence. We will get self confidence in our life from the mentors itself. If someone is there, then only we can go forward. Otherwise, it becomes more and more difficult. Thank you, everyone. I hope you understood all the reasons why we should have mentors and role models in our life. And definitely, if you're watching this video and if you are a student, definitely have someone in your life to guide you. And I discussed all the reasons why you should have a mentor. Choose a mentor who will guide you in a proper direction. Thank you, everyone. Signing off.